are Scarlet Loom. We're a local band here from General Santa City. We're actually a new band. We're only 1 year old. So thank you all so much for coming out tonight and supporting this event. So for our first song, it's going to be an original song. This one is available on all major streaming platforms, so you can check them out. This song is called "Looking Past the Bright Lights." Let's go.